I'm sorry, but this one, I was not prepared. I was not prepared for this. We are going to a festival. Are we going to a festival?
Yes.
It's about time to stop looking basic. I low-key look better in daylight. What? The ring light is doing me dirty. Am I ever gonna do a look that doesn't include the rhinestones? The answer is absolutely not. Did you just burp in my video? Did you just burp in my video? My dark circles are telling me it's time to stop. It's seriously time to stop going out. I think that the festival is the right time to go full coverage. Do you ever think about how random makeup is? Like, we legit put random stuff on our face and we walk around like that? What is up with that? Like, one day someone was like, let me smear the stuff on my face. And now here we are, buying $100 foundations. Now, I don't have my makeup here because I'm in Belgrade. So this is gonna have to do. Thank you so much for your donation. You look beautiful. I don't know if this color is gonna go with my dress. I'm not wearing a dress. Let me show you. I am wearing this and then this. You have to see it. You have to see it on. If anyone cares how this looks, let me know and I'll show you. I feel like I never wear eyeshadow anymore. It's not looking. I absolutely hate it. The glitter, you know, glitter saves the day. It's giving shitty with glitter on it. I think the lashes are gonna save it. They have to save it. I think this lipstick is gonna work. Ooh. And of course the glitter. And I think I'm on 99%. I just have to do my hair. I'm gonna show you in like a transition with my beautiful friend. Look at her. Pretty. See you in 20 minutes. Ah, I'm so excited. Hold up. Can we talk about these lipsticks for a minute? I am obsessed. These are the upgraded Wet n Wild Mega Slicks. Now, the Mega Slicks were one of the original Wet n Wild glosses, and they were loved by many. They got an upgrade with hydrating ingredients and a longer tube. We're gonna try them out today, okay? I think it's best we try them out on my lips right away. First, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner. By the way, this is the longest lip liner I've ever seen. I will just use it to give a gloss a nice base. The sparkly gloss is calling my name. This shade is called Crushed Diamonds. It is so comfortable, and what's really important with glosses, not sticky. Some of the ingredients are jojoba glaze, maxi lip peptides, hyaluronic acid, and collagen, so it will keep your lips nice and hydrated. Let me try more shades. I'm going for a darker vibe. This shade is called Past Curfew. This one has little specks of glitter integrated as well. It looks gorgeous. I think this is my new look. Okay, I want more. Going for the red Color Icon lip liner. This is like a Hollywood red. It looks gorgeous on its own, but I'm gonna pair it with the crystal clear lip gloss. I am obsessed. These are all gorgeous. I absolutely love them. Moisturizing, ultra shiny finish, easy application, and most importantly, cruelty-free. Go grab these. I promise you, you won't regret it. And of course, pair them with the Color Icon lip liners. Let me know which one was your favorite. Absolutely obsessed. But I don't know who would get these kind of tattoos. They look absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, the answer is me. I would get them. But I'm scared, so I got a little thing. I got a fake tattoo. And it is for my neck, my back. Okay, so today we're gonna try this on. Now, is it possible to bung this up? Probably not, but if someone would bung it up, it's me. Okay, let's place it somewhere. Of course, I already ripped it. But I put a band-aid on it. This is metaphorical for everything that goes wrong with my life. Just slap a band-aid on. Okay, I'm going to try to center it. I have this sponge. And let's go. Oh! How am I this stupid? I should have done this in a tub. I mean, the damage is already done. Oh, I think oh no! Okay, let's see how it looks. Ooh. I'm super careful. Now, how I managed to not screw this up. It looks really good. Is it just me? Does it look bad? Damn, bestie. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. I also had this nose ring at home, so I thought it would be appropriate. Why does it look so good? This is tempting me. By the way, this is probably stuck in my nose forever because... how is it this stuck? We are gonna fix this oopsie right here. You already know we gotta do the lenses. Oh my god, what is this? And this is the finished makeover. This looks dangerously good. Someone stop me from getting this. Please stop me. Hey, stop. What is going on? I need this on my face right now. Okay, first I'm gonna do like a base. They don't wear a lot of foundation, but I have some breakouts, so we're gonna have to mix it up. Mix it up and make it work. I'm using this foundation and mixing it with this. Make it more light. Looking a little better, but still not good. This little friend, he needs more help. By the way, if you want to do something to support Ukraine, I put a reliable site to donate in my highlights. So please check it out because that's the least we can do. As much as I can see, she had these, like she had pearls. Am I crazy or were those pearls? Even if they weren't, I only have pearls here, so we're gonna use pearls. And since I'm traveling, we only have this pencil. This is all we have. I don't have a liner. All I can see, she's got some gentle colors on her eye. I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna use this and this shade. This is the shimmer shade. Might have done too much. I didn't really expect this kind of drama to occur. Okay, now I'm gonna try to make this work. Ooh, it's happening. Like, honestly, it's looking decent. I am not complaining. I'm not gonna touch it anymore because I'm afraid if I touch it, I'm gonna mess something up. What did I say to myself? Don't touch it. What did I do? I touched it. Okay, now for the pearls. I'm gonna start here. I think it's okay. Is this making sense? I'm not sure. Is it good? Lashes are the thing that saves the look, so... By the way, if you're not curling your lashes with a curler, start today. Okay, the look is basically done. I'm gonna go do my hair and get dressed. Getting back to you with a cute transition in like 20 minutes. I'm excited! See you then! I am not crying. This is a filter. I got you. Am I this annoying? Let's get into this transition. You gotta remove this filter. It's, you know, sad vibes. Now, is it me or do my eyebrows really look like, bird wings? I just put a little bit on there. I feel like I just took a foundation bath, but never mind. I did absolutely nothing. Oh, I did something. It's in. You really thought it was gonna go without the freckles? Pfft, obviously, don't know me. The eyebrow is just not eyebrowing, you know? If they didn't look like bird wings before, they definitely do now. Time for the liner. Now we need to breathe in and breathe out for this one. Decent. The only thing I really want with this look is probably to add something red to this liner because it's boring. It's giving boredom, you know? Now, I didn't think we were gonna be back doing this so soon, but here we are. I want to do the black lipstick thing. Hope it doesn't look like utter shite. Šta hoćeš? Say hi, little puppy. Okay, let's go. Watch it look like I got dirt on my neck. Not super bad, okay? Let's do more. Ooh! Oh my god, these look so much better with black lipstick, honestly. Okay, hair change. I think I'm gonna be wearing a blazer, so I'm gonna go change into that. And I am finally done. Let's pick a filter. Ooh, I think I'm going with this one. JK. I'm gonna do this one. Look, I look really good with this one.